Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Former Kaizer Chiefs midfielder George Matlou has penned a long-term contract with Stellenbosch FC ahead of the 2026-27 campaign. The 28-year-old parted ways with Amakhosi following the expiration of his contract at the end of June, with the club not opting to extend his stay. The former Swallows FC midfielder has arrived in Western Cape, and now the Cape Wineland outfit has now confirmed the capture of Matlou. Matlou left Kaizer Chiefs after 4 seasons, having helped the side to win the Nedbank Cup, which was their first trophy in 10 years. However, he did not enjoy much game time last season after suffering an injury which led to his departure. He made 46 appearances during his time at Naturena. And Stellenbosch released a statement which says, Stellenbosch Football Club is delighted to announce the signing of midfielder George Matlou on a free transfer. Matlou, who most recently piled his trade with Kaizer Chiefs, has penned a long-term deal with Stellenbosch FC ahead of the 2026-27 campaign. The 28-year-old made 46 appearances and won the Nedbank Cup during his time at Naturena, and previously enjoyed stints with the likes of Moroka Swallows and Portuguese side Sajoanense. George Matlou is a player we believe can add real value to our squad through his experience, technical ability, and understanding of the game. His pedigree speaks for itself. We are naturally pleased that he has chosen to continue his career with Stellenbosch FC. We believe he can play an important role in helping us achieve our objectives this season, says Stellenbosch FC CEO Rob Bernardi. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this move by George Matlou to join Stellenbosch FC? And in other news, Stellenbosch FC have announced another signing in a statement that says, Stellenbosch Football Club is delighted to announce the acquisition of defender Terence Mashego on a season-long loan from Mamelodi Sundowns. Stellenbosch FC have bolstered its defense by completing the signing of Bafana Bafana international Terence Mashego from Mamelodi Sundowns, with the left back joining on loan for the duration of the 2026-27 campaign. Mashego arrives in Stellenbosch on the back of a successful loan spell with Durban City, where he was part of the squad that won the Nedbank Cup last season. His second triumph in the competition after previously being crowned champions with TS Galaxy in 2019. The 28-year-old boasts an African Football League 3 Betway Premiership titles to his name from his spell with Sundowns, and was part of the Bafana Bafana squad that finished third at the 2023 African Cup of Nations. Here's what Stellenbosch FC CEO Rob Bernardi said. Terence is a player who have competed at the highest level on both the domestic and international stages, and we believe he has the ability and quality to add significant value to our squad. We are delighted to welcome him to the club. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this statement by Stellenbosch FC? Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of these two transfers by Stellenbosch FC? Are you impressed with the signing of George Matlou and Terence Mashego for the upcoming season? That's the end of the news for now. See you next time.